Your doctors will tell you this about watermelon. Here's a natural antioxidant. Watermelon is a natural fruit that God has created for us. Look at it. Unbelievable how big this watermelon is. Listen, this thing here is so big, I could do curls with it. You know what I mean? I could do curls with this. Literally big watermelon, guys. And I'm getting ready to cut it and package it in some bowls and some containers. And believe me, listen, you don't want to miss this. You know, as we all know, watermelon is very good for the body. It's good for your health. So anytime that you're at your store, your local supermarket, and don't forget, if you could grow it, grow it. Because right now I'm actually growing a whole bunch of it, and you should too. And since that being said, guys, I'm going to show you guys how I cut this watermelon down real quick, real easy, real efficient. Let's go. Let's get to it. And this is how we cut watermelon in the island, guys. Straight down the middle, and then you do another cut like this. You see that? Bam. Look at that. Like butter, baby. And look, you see, when you go buy your watermelons, remember, first thing first, you want some seeds in them. Therefore, you can regrow it. Second, you want to make sure that, you see how red this watermelon is? Look, let me show you. Look at that, guys. Look at how red this is. You see, this is the lycopene I'm talking about. The antioxidant I'm talking about right here, man. That's the lycopene. So it is always better to buy watermelon that's red, whether yellow or like that mango color, whatever you guys like out there. But the red one, you could never go wrong with the red watermelon. Remember that. It has good amount of lycopene, and lycopene, listen, watermelon has the highest nutrients, all right, than any other fruits or veggies in the world. That's what I'm talking about. And that puppy's sweet, real sweet. Let me grab the bowls. See, I already got the bowls ready. Guys, you want to wash your hands when you do this. Wash your hands real good. All right. Clean the sink. My sink's already clean, you know what I'm saying? We clean out here already. But, man, that watermelon was good. I gotta take a nut bite. And the seeds was good. Alright, guys, we're gonna get to it now. Take another bite. Wow. What a beauty. Alright, guys. It's that simple. Look. Really simple. Bam. Real simple, guys. You see? Bam. 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 Get down on it. Get down on it. Get down on it. You see that, guys? That easy. Bam. You see? All you guys that's paying for $3 to $4 for these containers at Walmart or Publix, you're missing out. Just buy the whole thing. Right now, watermelon prices went up to, I believe, $8 to almost $10. Almost to $10 a watermelon, depending where you're getting it from. So remember, buy the whole thing before you buy that little container that they be selling for $4. It doesn't make sense just for you, because you don't want to do this, what I'm doing right here. Laziness don't get you nowhere in life, I promise you. It doesn't get you anywhere in life. But bam, you do this, take a bite. As you're doing this, the beautiful thing is you can eat. See, my wife, she don't like to buy this whole big watermelon, because the process of cutting it is it overwhelmed her. So, me being me, you know, I'm from the island. You know, we like that. We like the whole process. Big boy chunk. No joke. No gimmick. You can do it however you want, guys. There's no perfect way to do this. However you want. You just have to do it. That's the key. You just have to do it. That's it. Look, you can I'm gonna feed that to my chickens. That's for the chickens. They get some watermelons. That was a big chunk right there that I just fell. Dior, that's for you, buddy. That's for you. Guys, listen. Watermelon is the best. You can live off this stuff, man. You can literally live off watermelon if you want. You know, it helps soreness. You know, for you gym guys, these buff guys, eat some watermelon. It helps with your muscles, man. It helps with soreness after you get out the gym. Eat some watermelons. It'll help you, man, with the pain. Oh my God, I can't stop eating. There's some great stuff here. If you're watching this video, man, let me know where you're from in the comment. Hit the like button. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. You know what I mean? Just follow me, man. That's what we're doing here. Look, we're halfway done already. And those watermelon looking good. It looks real good. I can still do some, what it's called? I can still do some biceps with this, you hear me? You see it, man. This ain't no joke. This ain't no joke, this ain't no game. See, your cuts ain't gotta be perfect, guys. You just have to cut it. Next bowl, look at this, a whole lot. I feel sorry for you guys out there that's buying these containers at Walmart, you know, at Publix, you know. Y'all making them rich off laziness. Don't be lazy, man. Do it the right way. Do it yourself. DIY. Yeah? Do it yourself. For real. Look, my wife gonna love this. When she get home, this thing gonna be nice and cold in the fridge. Real nice and cold. She gonna love it. I promise you. I'm gonna love it. Everybody gonna love it. We all gonna love it. Come on, man. There you go. Bam. Yeah, that's for the birds. That's for the birds. Making a mess now, guys. Let me know what kind of watermelon you guys like. Do you like seeds or seedless? Let me know. Let me know, let me know. Bam. All right. Look at that. We're almost done, guys. Big boy chunk. We don't want the greens in there. Right? We just want straight watermelons. Straight red. Straight cherry red. That's that lycopene I'm talking about, guys. That cherry red. That tells me this thing is full of lycopene. That helps with prostate. That helps with your heart. Your heart will love you for this. Listen, this thing helps with many other things you won't believe. But your doctor will tell you this. Your doctors will tell you this about watermelon. Straight up. It is the truth. that this thing here is a superfood. Literally, this is a superfood. So I tell you guys, go, hurry up, man. Listen, hurry up, get to the store and get you some watermelon, preferably with seasoning them. All right, guys, look at here, man. Look at here. I made a mess, but it's okay. I'm gonna clean it up. So the watermelon, baby, I'm gonna clean it up. Yeah, I am. Why not? This for the birds. All right, guys. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm going to feed my chickens the rest of this stuff, but as you can see, I got 3 bowls full of watermelons. You see it? Oh man, I almost dropped them. Yeah. Alright, don't play no games, man. Yeah. You see it. Don't play no games. Now we're gonna put some lids on these things. I'm gonna put some lids on them. Alright. And it's going directly in the fridge. Bam. 1, 2, 3. See, laziness gonna pay. Laziness don't get you nowhere. Go straight in the fridge. You find a section, you just place them in there. So when your wife get home, you can feed her some watermelons. Believe that. You can feed her some watermelon, she'll love you. Alright? And this right here, we're gonna feed this to the chickens. Yes. Alright, guys. Since that being said, I'm out.